Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to replace audio of a video file with some other audio file in native macOS app, so using AV mutable composition. So let's get started. So firstly I'll show you the output. So here I have 4 buttons. I'll click on pick video. It opens the video picker. I'll select one video. I'll click on open. Then I will click on pick audio, and here I have one audio file. I'll just select it and click on open, and then I'll click on merge, and here I have just muted the audio, but trust me, it does replace the audio of the original video file with our selected audio. So, and also if I want to save this particular video, I'll just click on save, and if I go to my downloads directory, here you can see the file was saved. I'll quickly delete it. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So firstly, inside Xcode I have created an AppKit macOS project, but if you want you can use SwiftUI as well. The first thing which you have to do is go to sign in and capabilities, and here you will have to add the read only permission for user selected file and read/write permission for downloads folder. Then go to general, and here keep minimum deployment to at least 12. Over here as well keep it at least to 12. Then inside view controller, here we have imported AV kit. Then I have created one player view and 4 buttons: play, save, pick audio. Like this play button is actually for pick video, sorry for the bad naming, and merge button as well. Then 2 variables for updating the video URL and audio URL whenever we select it. Then here we initialized our AV player view. Here we create our play button, create our save button, create our pick audio and merge audio, and I have added one click listener to each of them. And here I have just added some NS layout constraints to all of them, so you can just copy paste if you want to. Then once pick audio is called, we are basically filtering by audios, and once we have that audio URL, we are updating this variable. I'll come back to this code later on. Once play video is called, again this should be pick video, sorry for the bad naming, but once that is called, we just update filter by videos and update our video URL with the URL been picked. Then if merge is called, we are basically calling replace audio, which gives us the updated URL of the video, and we start playing it inside our AV player. I'll come back to this replace audio method in a bit. And for save video, we get hold of our downloads directory. Then we check if final URL is not equal to null. If yes, then we create our destination URL, and we first check if file exists. If not, then we return. And for if file exists at destination URL, we remove it, and then only we move file to our destination URL, which is the downloads directory. Now coming back to replace audio, so here we are creating an AV mutable composition. Then we create a file manager as well, then an AV asset. Here we create a video composition track and asset video track. Then the video duration, we get the video duration, and with the help of that we create a CM time range make and insert that time range inside our video composition track. Then we create an AV URL asset, we create an audio composition track and asset audio track. Now here is the main part. So suppose if your audio file is 30 seconds long and video file is 20 seconds long, most people would want whatever is the video file length, their audio file to be of the same length. So here I am passing the video duration, but if you want your video to be also 30 seconds, then instead of video duration you can pass audio duration. It could very well happen that your audio is small than video. So basically what you can do is you can add a if clause for video and audio duration, and accordingly take action what is bigger, what is less. So yeah, basically I have just entering video duration because most people would want that, but your use case might be different. Then we are creating an export path and an export URL as well, and if file already exists, we remove that file. Then we create an export session, assign our export URL to output URL, and output file type is mp4 optimized for network usage too, and then we call export, and then we assign final URL to our output URL. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.